Hey everybody, and welcome to Cointiply.com. Follow along today with me as I show you all the fun and easy ways where you can earn free Bitcoin on Cointiply.com. First, here we have the daily faucet. All you have to do is spin, and look at that, we just won 29 coins. Easiest way to earn free Bitcoin on Cointiply, and it's something you can do every day when you first log into the site. Next, here we have the surveys, and you can look through all these different survey options and pick a survey, and you can see all of the different surveys have a different amount of coins in which they pay out. After you complete the survey, you will be rewarded the coins, and then eventually you can withdraw those coins to your cryptocurrency of choice. Next, here we have the Cointivity bonuses, which are boost earnings, and these are going to be items that give you certain boosts on offers. So step one would be to earn up enough coins in order to buy one of those 3 chests you see at the top, and then depending on which chest you choose, that chest will give you inventory, and then you can pick different items to gain a special boost, and then go complete more offers, games, and surveys with the boost of your choice. Pretty cool. Next, here we have the Cointiply quests, and these quests allow you to level up and earn coin rewards along the way. So this first quest we see is a view a PTC quest. So let's just go do it together. We will view this PTC ad. We see it lasted the amount of time that we needed in order to complete the quest, and the view has been recorded, and then let's go look back on the quest section and claim our reward. We can scroll down, and here we will see claim reward. It sees that we viewed the PTC ad, and now we have earned those coins. The quests are a great way to follow along with Cointiply.com and make sure you are getting the most coins you possibly can for the games and surveys you are doing on Cointiply.com. Here you can see a little bit more information on our referral program. You can earn money from giving out referrals. Just give out your referral link and you can read a little bit more on the site about how that works. Here you can see just how easy it is to withdraw on Cointiply.com. Everything that you are earning on Cointiply will be paid out in coins. So then when you're ready to withdraw, you just go in and you can choose to withdraw to your Bitcoin, Lite, Dash, or LTC wallet. And all those coins you've earned on Cointiply.com will be paid out in your cryptocurrency of choice. At Cointiply.com, we have a great customer support system where we are always here to help you. If you have a more common or simple question, you can go here to get an answer to it. But if you'd like to contact us directly, just go and submit a ticket and we will get right back to you and help you solve your issue. And now it's your turn. Join Cointiply.com for all the fun and easy ways that you can earn free Bitcoin online. Stay tuned for more videos on more how-tos for Cointiply.com. Thanks for watching.